In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace your spark plug on an Acura MDX located on both sides of the engine. Let's get started. To start with, we're going to remove the engine cover. Just pop it off. Using a ratchet and a 10mm socket, we'll get it off. Break it loose and take it out. There's a bolt. And remember to remove the connector. And by doing that, we're gonna be pressing right on over here to release the tab. There it is. Move the connector to the side and slide the coil out. Using a size 5/8 for the socket, we can remove the spark plug. In this case, I'm using a small extension. We can add another one just to get a better hand. Slide your tool out. Using a small magnet, we can pull it out. And here's the old spark plug. Next, we're gonna go ahead and put the spark plug onto a spark plug socket. Go ahead and load it up. And now we're gonna lower it onto the cylinder. Now let's install the new one. Slide it in. And make sure you start it by hand. Using a ratchet, we're gonna snug it up. Get your ratchet out and your socket. Using a torque wrench, we're going to torque down the spark plug to 16 foot-pounds. Slide your socket back in. Slide your tool out. Now let's install the coil back on. When you do this, make sure the connector is facing you to ease of install. Slide it into place. Get your 10mm bolt and start it by hand. Now we torque down the coil to 9 foot-pounds. Connect your coil back up. Make sure you hear a click. And now we're ready to install the engine cover. For this, you're gonna line up the cover. And push down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.